Hey everyone, here's the requested video of the Hoover Runabout. I think this is my third newest vacuum. I don't have my big light this time because it blew the bulbs. Seems to like to do that when it's in the house, so I guess I'll replace that. So hopefully it's good enough that you can see it with the light that I have. So yeah, anyway, here it is. Got it not long ago. Guy was just putting it out at the curb as I drove by. I went to pick up a larger item that I saw when riding my bike, and took a different route home. And he was putting this out, and be polite, the best thing I could come up with to say as I was driving up to his house, or drove up to his curb, was mind if I have that? And kind of looked at me like, why do you want to take my vacuum? And then said, it doesn't have the brush thing. And I'm like, kind of sarcastically, oh, don't worry, I'll fix that. And he's like, yeah, okay, here, sure, fine. And of course, because he was just putting it out, it still had the cord, which is has been very uncommon for me in the last 2 years, because scrappers seem to get there very fast. It's a 2002, so it's a newer model of these. Something else I also noticed about it being a newer model is, I don't know if this is like just me or what, cord is a lot stiffer because they probably used a crappier rubber or whatever, and the brush is made out of crappy nylon or something. Not as soft as they used to be, not something you rub against your face. And there's a lot less bristles on it, I can tell, compared to my other ones. Came with a crevice, which usually that's if there's any attachment missing, is usually the crevice and the extension wand, and upholstery brush are missing this time. As I said in the other video, this was originally what I wanted instead of the Runabout number 1, just like this one, and I'm happy that I finally got one. It's again 12 amp. So now that that's all said and done, we'll give it a little run to get it off the cord. Not like I really care. And there you go. Yeah, this vacuum, if you can't tell, my light just went out again, is in pretty nice condition. I would really love to know why the brush roll and brush plate were taken off in the first place, and what exactly happened to them. And what else is funny is this is a 12 amp, as I said, and it's got the power equivalent of my 5.0 and 6.0, so that shows that over like what, 18 or 15 years or whatever it was, 89 to 02, that it took them from a 6 amp to a 12 amp to be equivalent. I don't know really how to explain that, but if you get what I'm saying, that the older ones work much better than the 7.2s and 7.3s, and this 12 amp newer one is about the equivalent of the 6 amp older one. So without me probably confusing myself and the viewers anymore, here was and is the Hoover Runabout.